One of the easiest ways to go big with your marketing is to simply pay to reach more people. You do that with awareness campaigns, you do it by bidding per impression, you do it by optimizing for things like the cost to reach 1,000 people. However, very sophisticated advertisers, what they do is they don't just rely on the paid reach, so what they're explicitly paying a media company like LinkedIn or Facebook or TV to reach people. But they're relying on virality, they're relying on word of mouth, they're kind of counting on people sharing the content. And that's why the types of advertising that creative geniuses come up with looks very, very different from the typical types of ads that you would normally see, especially in the business-to-business space, which is very rational and to the point. Now, the question is how you measure these types of marketing assets. And it's not always easy, but sometimes it is. So for example, if we go into the LinkedIn Campaign Manager, they have a section here called columns, which gives you interesting data about things like reach and frequency, which you can find under delivery, engagement, people engaging with your posts. You can see various video metrics. But the one that I'm particularly interested in is the customized option. So let's go to the customized column. And what I did was I did a search here for viral. So let's see what viral options there are. So you can see they have a number of KPIs that are tied to virality. So viral impressions, viral clicks, viral reactions, viral comments, etc., etc., etc. So there are all sorts of KPIs that perhaps most people in marketing advertising don't even realize that these exist. And essentially what it's telling you is how much of the content from your advertising campaign is producing free results as a result of people simply sharing it and as a result of your advertising triggering word of mouth. So when you're thinking about going big with your marketing, often what it means is it's starting initially with advertising, perhaps advertising to people that are more influential, and then relying on this cascade effect that happens from people sharing it, other people seeing it in their feeds, et cetera, et cetera. And you can measure all of this by using these various viral KPIs. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So we can see here that I created a custom filter here based on viral metrics, and not a lot of success here with these campaigns because they weren't designed for virality. But we can see here for one, we had 2 viral video views. So that's a step in the right direction. And overall, we got 13 viral impressions here for all of the campaigns. This specific campaign got 6 viral impressions. So there's some sort of reverberation happening there where you're not just paying to throw the pebble in the water, but you're designing your marketing to create this cascade effect that's essentially free.